Everybody should know that's how love goes. It's good for the soul. Oh, I got a long way to go, but it won't stop the pain. No, that's the kind of thing that keeps me coming back again and again.
Till I see your face, I won't be satisfied.
You guys, welcome back to my video, my cooking channel. Now I'm just go ahead and this meat right here is for my collard green. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash it, then I'm gonna blanch it, to get all the grease and stuff from it and stuff. I probably do that for about 5 minutes, because I know it's out. Even though you have to cook this, but I just want to get most of the grease and stuff out. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this and put it in the pot. This right here is for my collard green. But I would like to cook my meat first, because it don't take that long for the collard green. Long as your meat is done, and then you throw in your collard green. Okay, so I wash my smoked pork ham shank. Now I'm going to fill it up with some water. And this meat is for my collard green. Okay, got my water in. And I'm just gonna cook this for 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, then I'm gonna pour the water, 5 minutes, I'm sorry, 5 or 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna pour it out and put some more fresh water in it. Okay, and see you guys in the next clip. Hello you guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Now, I'm going to prepare my collard green. And these look pretty good, you guys. I'm very surprised. Very, very surprised. But yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how I cook my collard green. Okay? And I got on my cooking channel, I do have, plenty of my collard green recipe as well. So yeah, so just kind of come back to show you guys how I wash. Well, I show you a few how I wash my collard green. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna wash it first, by each leaf, and then I'm gonna soak it with vinegar, salt, and stuff. So yeah, but first I'm just gonna wash it first. Get most of the grit and dirt from it. Okay? I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, you guys, so what I did first, my first rinse, I rinsed each leaf at a time. And you know what? I need to give them a good review, because see, I did take each leaf when I rinse it, but I'm still gonna soak it, in vinegar and salt. But these, oh my God, I'm gonna give them a good review of this place. No, it ain't hard to have. Really, didn't have no kind of dirt or grit, but still, I'm gonna go ahead and pick through, because I saw some little brown on it and stuff. Because I'm gonna get it another couple of wash with vinegar and salt. Yeah, but I just want to show you guys that. Yeah. You guys, so I'm gonna show you this. I'm not meant to show you everything how I cut it, but you see how I cut the vine. This is how I cut it. You know how the stem. So I just cut it in the middle. I'm not gonna show it. That's how it look. And then just place it. Yep, this is how I do it. Boy, these gonna be some good. Oh my God. Again, like I said, I need to give them a good review. Look how beautiful that leaf is, you guys. Look. Wow. Let me put it down. Look. Look at that. Beautiful. And it wasn't even that much dirt on it. It really seemed like it wasn't no sign of no grit or dirt. Oh wow. Beautiful. Yes. All right, I just want to come back because I got a long way to go. Yes. Long way to go. Yes. It's gonna be some good collard green, you guys. I can picture that. All right, got a long way to go. All right, I just want to come back to show you guys that how I'm cutting it. And like I said, I'll probably do another couple of rinse with vinegar and salt. Alrighty, so it make me dig three to four rinse. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna show you how I cut it. I got what it all depends on. It don't matter, but I'm gonna show you the easy way to cut it. After you saw me split it, just kind of roll it up like this. See, like in a real tight. Okay, like that. Okay, I'm gonna pause this real quick. Okay, so now this is how you cut it, like that. Okay. See, that's how you do it. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other one, boy. This is 11 bunch of collard green. But yeah. So I just want to show you guys how I cut it. Okay? Okay, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, you guys, so now I cut up all my collard green. And see, it's a better way to do it like that, you guys. See? This is my first time ever doing it like this. But sorry, but look how big the pot is. That's all nothing but collard green. So beautiful. Oh my God. Beautiful. So I just want to show you guys that. So stay tuned for the next clip on my collard green. You guys, so now I'm going to prepare my collard green. Oh, there was a lot of green. And I'm going to show you my ingredient that I always put in my collard green. Okay, my ham shank is ready. You always want to keep your juice because that's where all the flavor is. And also what I did was I add about a cup of this vegetable and a cup of the chicken broth, and I mix it up in here. And again, this is most of the season I use like maybe 2 capfuls of vinegar, black pepper, salt, and sugar, and 1 onion, and that's it. It's very simple. This is my turner. And then usually I use garlic powder and onion powder, but what I did, I just went on ahead and roasted me some garlic, fresh garlic. Yeah. But that's it, you guys. That's the ingredient. Okay, you guys, so I just kind of sliced some of my meat up like that. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna saute my onion, and what I did, I sauteed my onion with this. Okay, you guys, I just forgot this. That's what we having. Well, we having turkey and ham. Look. Wow. Okay, you guys, I add my roasted garlic. Okay, so guys, this is what I did. I went on ahead and diced my ham. And then now, after that, once that I start, you know, you have to taste your seasoning. So I probably, if you need more salt, black peppers, you know, and stuff, you know, once that I add all my, once you start get the cooking and stuff, then I just go back and see do I need more little salt or black pepper. And see how I'm doing it, you guys. Okay, so you guys, this is pretty much it. You just kind of keep adding your green and put some more broth in it. And that's about pretty much it. That is my collard greens. Just keep stirring till it kind of sweat down. And I always put my vinegar last. So you guys, I will see you guys in the next, when I make my plate. See how much is it, you guys? I'm going to show you. And I've been kind of adding my ham chop piece. You see, this is how much I got. So that's my last ingredient. I forgot to show that this is my turnips. So I am greens. Yep. I have to come back to show you guys that. Okay.